Alright guys, today I'm going to replace this drag link on this 2005 Chevy 5500. It's really simple. It's two nuts, this one and this one. Some people hit the pitman arm, but this is the gearbox. You don't want to hit this because you can damage the gearbox. Okay, that's why I put this 13mm socket with the impact. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the one on the steering knuckle. I don't want to hit this part because I don't want to take any risk of breaking it, and then the truck gonna be down into when I find the part. See? Easy. Okay. See how loose it is? See the other side. Okay. So the replacement I got is a move. There is a part number if you guys need it. Not even can move. Here's the nuts for it. So the new nut's gonna be smaller size. I torqued the nuts too much, so I can keep going by hand. Make sure those screws on the nut is aligned to the hole stud. Like that. I'm going to do this one now. That should be good. I'm gonna put some grease. Okay, should be good right there. Same thing to the other side. That should be good. It's all you guys have to do to replace the drag link. Thank you.